Hello doctor, my name is Aidil Wafi and I would like to present my research proposal called The Correlation Between Lifestyle and Muscle Strength Among Malaysia's Senior Citizens. The issue that I brought in this research is because of the poor life expectancy and healthiness among elderly in Malaysia. Those two are related to the muscle strength because from various studies it has been proven that the muscle strength have a relationship to the healthiness. Therefore, it becomes a concerning issue to Malaysia's senior citizens because according to Saslina and her colleagues' study in 2020, 59.8% prevalence of sarcopenia among older Malaysians 60 years and above, which is a muscle-related disease. Therefore, understanding the correlation between their lifestyle and their muscle strength becomes necessary to help them improving their lives. In addition, previous study of the relationship between lifestyle and muscle strength provides no details in scientific reasoning since they only focus on the relationship between two key findings through statistical data, which are lifestyle and muscle strength. Therefore, I suggested an improvement of the correct and effective method to help researchers to deeply understand the mechanism of the correlation between lifestyle and muscle strength through the addition of muscle cross-sectional area analysis. The problem statement of this study research have to limit broad social factors to narrow research study, have to undergo experiments for at least 2 years to see the changes of muscle CSA, and last but not least, have to test muscle strength comprehensively, which means not only one part of the limb, but both upper and lower extremity muscles and its endurance. For the study objectives, it has been finalized so to complement with the hypothesis of the study, where the hypothesis of the study is to make sure the social factors, which is a part of lifestyle and muscle strength, should have a linear relationship and both should have a positive relationship to muscle CSA to prove the principle of sliding filament movement theory for a scientific reasoning. The study will be focused on 4 districts in Selangor, Petaling, Hulu Langat, Kuala Langat and Klang, since they have the highest proportion of senior citizens in Selangor in 2017. So this study will be beneficial to the researchers to understand the relationship between 3 key findings: social factors, muscle CSA and muscle strength, and also understand the healthy lifestyle pattern among Malaysia's senior citizens to improve their quality of life and promoting healthy lifestyle. The literature review have been divided into 5 points. The first point is lifestyle of Malaysia's senior citizens. In this LR, the identification of lifestyle definition in biological terms has been reviewed to ensure the specific social factors could be chosen and observed. Therefore, there are several studies done to several social factors that Malaysia's senior citizens always done, and the conclusion of the SR is choosing physical activities, dietary pattern, and daily smoking that part to the study of their lifestyle among Malaysian senior citizens. And second point is about proving a reason why muscle CSA is aided in the study through the direct relationship of muscle CSA and muscle strength. So the review shows that there is a correlation of muscle fiber with muscle CSA in order to allow the muscle skeletal movement. Therefore, in order to examine the muscle strength, it will be advised to oversee the changes of muscle CSA because the muscle fiber could result to the force production, and force production will result to the ease of muscle skeletal movement, and the ease of muscle skeletal movement will portray the increment of muscle strength. The third point is the usage of 3 questionnaires that related to the social science study. These 3 questionnaires would help us in collecting data of the chosen social factors. 24-hour MPR would collect data about food consumptions to study about dietary pattern. Sensory armband would collect the data of daily physical activities, and timeline followback questionnaire would help in collecting data of the number of cigarettes being smoked daily. Fourth and fifth points are about the examination of science field study that related to the muscle strength. In this LR, I talk about the introductory of the test, the limitation and the advantages. This research would take 2 years of study with 2 waves and 1 year apart. The subjects will be participated voluntarily by Malaysia's senior citizens, both male and female aged 60 years old and above that live in Petaling, Hulu Langat, Kuala Langat and Klang, Selangor. In accordance to the objectives, the first method is collection of social factors data. The participant will be divided into 3 groups, which are: Group A will be assessed their daily physical activities, Group B will be assessed their daily dietary pattern, and Group C, that comprise of Group A and B that are smoking, will be assessed their daily smoking also. Next, the muscle CSA analysis. This research will be done via CT scan to scan their knee extensor muscle and hand grip muscle. The CSA image will be produced by computer-based planimetry. And last but not least is the detection of development or degeneration of muscle strength. Each group will be tested by 3 tests: hand grip dynamometer to test the upper extremity muscle, knee extensor chair testing to test the lower extremity muscle, and last but not least, timed up and go test to test balance and walking ability and its endurance. Each data collected will be analyzed by using regression analysis. Regression analysis of the relationship between social factors and muscle CSA, and relationship between muscle CSA and muscle strength, with dependent variable is muscle CSA and independent variable is both assigned social factors and 3 muscle strength testing. The correlation for each relationship could be observed from the R-squared that obtained from regression analysis and fitted line plot. And finally, for expected findings, where it is expected for dietary pattern and physical activities show a correlation to the muscle CSA from statistical data of regression analysis, and it will be expected that smoking will impact the growth of muscle CSA. The generation of muscle strength would have a positive result to the subjects group that are assigned to the physical activities because of promotion muscle hypertrophy, while generation of muscle strength for dietary pattern groups may serve various results. And lastly, relationship of social factors and muscle strength would have a positive result to the muscle CSA and proving the sliding filament movement theory that will be a scientific articulation of the study. That's all from me. Thank you.